To Yardstyle Live.
Yes.
Because this is more of a conversation because Wasp does so much great works and add to the dynamics of dancehall.
Yes.
First thing, real name. That part of the show me got.
Well, you know, I'm Marvin Clark,
Jesus Christ. But could I tell you, make sure I get up.
Yeah, man. Yeah,
Marvin Clark.
Yeah.
Originally from where now?
So if you look for Marvin Clark, yes, the initials are MC.
Yeah.
You see me? So you don't know, it makes sense when I think about it.
Mhm.
Marvin Clark, MC, Mike. You see me?
Yeah.
So we're born to do it.
So where were you? Where you born?
So when we left Jubilee, you know, Cassia Park,
Yeah.
you see me? So Cassia Park are where the Wasp nest there, born and grow.
Born and grow. That's up to now.
Yeah, up to now we're still there about. We have another Wasp nest somewhere, but that one there off limit. So yeah.
No,
Cassia
that one
Park.
there the one where we chill more time, man. You see me? Because if you have one place,
Yeah,
when you
let them
head,
know.
when you head, the levels want set. You see me?
Yeah,
man.
yeah.
Yeah, man, let's say one different Wasness.
Yeah, everybody know the Cassia Park one. So
Yeah.
the one where I lay my head at night time and get my rest up and thing, I keep that one there, you know, off the radar.
Yeah, man, off the radar. You see me?
Yeah, man.
You look at solace that, you know?
Yeah. But anyway, you want anytime from from morning to evening, you will see me in a Cassia Park because you know my parents them still they run a Cassia Park, so I'm there every day. You see me? Yeah, man, active.
Yeah. So how did you pen the name Wasp? I remember your name Marvin Clark.
Yes.
You see, the MC.
Yes.
How the Wasp came about? How that Wasp?
Well, I always love music, so I'm born to do it. You know, I always, you know, DJ, Beanie Man, and Bunty song, line for line. You know, going to Dunabin Primary, you know, I used to make up song on spot, because my parents them never really have it. You see me? My father do farm work, and when him come back fresh, we have money for that time there. When him get stale back out and did it for a while.
Maybe show about again.
Yeah, for the money real. So during any time we have a slow time, you don't know, the music always keep up on a level. So I used to over done if two youth fight, I build up a song about the fight, and then if somebody want to hear the song, them have to pay me. So I would go to school without lunch money and come back with more money than even lunch money.
You know, that's very creative though.
Yes.
How the fight go with the first farm of them? Tell me how it go. If you want to hear,
Yeah.
it's a pay-per-view or
Yeah,
a pay-per
man.
listen.
Yeah, man.
All right.
I mean, I give you the storyline from how the argument start till it get physical. So my story them ever. That's why up to now when you listen to my music, it's like a story.
No, you're,
I'm
listen.
a writer.
You're lyrically
Yes.
potent. And when we hear people like DJ like this, I can say to myself, a person, yeah, the artist, yeah, the
Yes.
singer, the DJ, him
Yes.
listen and him read a lot.
Yes.
You
yes.
see me?
Yeah, man. So don't have been know them places shape me and things. So it was I was celebrating a birthday. You know, my bigger cousin say, you know, she gonna make me walk the plaza, cause that was a thing back in the days. We just Byrd, put our clothes, go to Afro Tree and window shop.
Big man, that was like foreign to you.
That is it.
Yeah.
So it was my birthday, so I get that treatment.
Pavilion
there.
or upper Sovereign.
Yes.
Or one of them plaza there.
Yes,
Yeah.
so where we walk and thing, we see a stage show. We see whole heap of big artists, but we didn't know Ninja Ford, Predator, because them used to in a Cassia Park heavy. So we stop and I watch the show. Predator looking at my face and can tell, say, you know, say him come like him want to go up there. Me not say it to him, but me I think it say,
Yeah.
you know, me that love to go up there.
Mm.
And him there and him a look. So there's a segment on the show where anybody make the best chicken lyrics. Because the restaurant named Chicken Supreme, and them put on the show. Now that place named Island Grill.
Yeah.
But at the time it was Chicken Supreme, so them said who
Twin
have the
Gates,
best? Twin Gates,
Yeah,
yeah.
man.
So them said who have the best chicken lyrics win. So Predator make up the lyrics, tell me what to say. I go up there, mash it up, and I win a big cake and some chicken.
You know, some know that thing there. When Chicken Supreme, I
Yes.
work at Derek at that time.
Yeah, that was just upstairs. fam.
Upstairs from
yes,
me. Yeah.
Yes, yes. So I win, when I win the cake and the chicken, I say, yo, things in this.
But hold on there, forward back there. Why hear the lyrics where you used to win the chicken? Because we want to know where them put in the chicken, you know?
Them must see mother out of them dream. The best chicken come from Chicken Supreme. Pick a feather, me just clean that up clean. And me nah give them none of them attack bomb I mean. Them must see mother. And then show me a little youth so.
Yeah.
Then can't talk to me man and me I prefer. But me did nervous at first. Because at the time here, every artist I go up on the stage and I say, give me the slim thing rhythm.
Yeah.
So hear me, them I play the slim thing rhythm, hear me. Selector, take up that and run the slim thing, hear the man. Yo, the slim thing that I play. So my knees start wobble a little bit, but by the time I start DJ and hear the crowd that cheer for me, I say, pull up, and I start get, you know?
Up in there yourself, yeah, man. Your confidence level build.
Yeah, man. So big up Predator, him give me that lyrics style.
Wagwan, you're tuned to Yardstyle Live.